Hello, and welcome to this KnowIT video tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a productivity group. A productivity group is a collection of applications and websites that the company has approved for use for specific job roles. Doing this lets you measure productivity using productivity scores. You can learn about productivity scores by watching our other productivity video here. We will now show you how you can set this up to monitor your employees' productivity. Inside your KnowIT portal, click Productivity. Here you can see that there are three main sections. Let's go through them now. The first section is Default Productivity Settings. This contains all the applications currently installed on all of your KnowIT devices. By default, all applications in this section are set as neutral, so they won't affect employee productivity when used. The second section shows groups that have already been created by the manager. The last section allows you to create your own productivity group. Let's go through this now. First, to keep things organized, use a meaningful name for the new group. Now, this could be a department, such as marketing. Next, from the list of KnowIT devices, select the ones you wish to add. Now you must add applications to the group whose usage you wish to monitor. By default, only user applications are shown. These are applications that your administrator has installed themselves onto the device. If any application is not listed, you can toggle between the filter to find it. To start with, because most employees use documents, spreadsheets, and presentations for their work, we will set Microsoft Office as productive. This means that the more time an employee spends using productive applications, the higher their productivity score will be. However, there may be times when employees use applications for their own personal interests, neglecting their work tasks. Two such applications could be iTunes and VLC Media Player, which we will not set as productive. The more time an employee spends using non-productive applications, the lower their productivity score will be. There may also be applications that are strictly prohibited for use within your organization, such as games or torrents. So we will go ahead and set uTorrent and Candy Crush as prohibited. Whenever an employee uses any prohibited application, a designated manager will be notified immediately via email. Lastly, there may also be some necessary applications that your employees may use which are neither productive or non-productive for their job role. And one of these applications could be a system application like Disk Cleanup. So we'll go ahead and set Disk Cleanup as neutral. Whenever an employee uses neutral applications, it will leave them less work time to be productive. And when you've finished adding all applications to your productivity group, click Save. The next step is to add websites to your productivity group. To help you do this, a list of popular websites is included that you may wish to monitor. Simply add websites to your productivity group the same way that you added applications. If the website you want to add isn't listed, you can add it manually. Simply type in the URL of the website and confirm it to add it to the group. Once you have added all websites, click Save to finish. Now you can see the devices, applications, and websites in your productivity group. KnowIT will use this information to create two kinds of productivity reports. The first report is a scheduled email. This report tells you the current productivity scores for all of your employees. The second report inside your KnowIT portal is a comprehensive productivity breakdown for all your employees. This allows you to see productive and unproductive applications, as well as the ones they used the most, along with the top 10 most productive and least productive employees in your company. And this concludes this KnowIT video tutorial. In this video, you've learned how KnowIT uses productivity groups to measure employee productivity. You've learned that a productivity group is a collection of applications and websites that the company has approved for use for specific job roles. You have learned how KnowIT uses a productivity group to generate an overall productivity report for your employees. And finally, you have learned how KnowIT generates an overall productivity score, both as a scheduled email report or from inside your KnowIT portal, and how these reports can help you better understand your employees' productivity. If you found this video useful, We would be delighted if you could let us know by clicking the like button. If you have any suggestions as to how to make this video better, please send us your comment by clicking here.